Hey guys, and welcome to the DrRunCMD YouTube channel. Let me just get this stuff ready. Right. Let me get the brightness correct. That'll do. It's a bit dark, but who's complaining? I'm sure you guys are not. Any crap? Any crap? No, anyhow. Okay, let's go down one. Right, let's try that again without knocking the microphone everywhere. Right, so this is how I'm going to do my YouTube channel from now on. It's going to be in this setup where the camera's above me, so I've got hands-free available to do all sorts of stuff. And I've actually found a camera app that actually allows me to lock the focus so it doesn't hunt for focusing every bloody time you move in the frame of the camera, and also for the exposure as well. So that's a plus. The only problem is I've got my microphone dangling like a pin in the backside. So there's a few things I need to iron out, but I suppose I could just put something holding the thing there. Anyhow, so yeah, this is going to be the new demographic or new setup for my next YouTube channel. This is for the next this could be for the content for. Let's just start again. Hello Tube users, this is DrRunCMD. Welcome to my new bench lab setup. I had to get rid of my Canon M100 camera for doing my YouTube videos, and unfortunately it's not going to be in 60 frames a second anymore, guys. So I mean, I'll render the video in 60 frames, but it's not original format in 60 frames, just 30, using my Samsung A50 non-flagship mobile phone camera, which is not too bad. It's quite high megapixel quality and count, but again it lacks the sort of 60 frames a second sort of stuff. So yeah, you know, let me know if you guys prefer it or not. The quality is okay. There is a bit of out of focus stuff, is a little bit bitty, but I can live with that. So yeah, so what I'm going to do in this video is talk about a Joule Thief, which if you watch any of Big Clive's videos or any sort of other electronic videos on YouTube, you'll know what a Joule Thief is. If you don't, I suggest you have a look. I may link a video somewhere in to show you. And basically following the Big Clive's Joule Thief video, which I'll link in somewhere on the screen as a card or maybe a description down below, basically allows you to use dead batteries, which these are, and allows you to power a small load, i.e. sort of that LED there, which I started with, and a small strip of LED lights. Yeah, it's not super bright, don't get me wrong, but trust me when I say this will last a very long time. And all I've basically used is a transistor, a resistor, and a custom-made coil, which actually I'll show you up close because I've got the focus on. So if I do this like that, focus, there we go. Custom wound little coil, which Big Clive shows you how to do step by step, so always worth having a look at if you wanted to do one yourself. I've always wanted to do this kind of project but never actually got around to doing it and or looking at it. But if you've got a load of dead batteries hanging around and you want some sort of use for them, then driving small loads like LEDs is a perfect option. So don't throw them old batteries away, keep them. And I say these are pretty much dead. What I may actually do, let me just grab my multimeter. Let me just see. Oh, I've got the crocodile clips on it. Rightio. Are we in? Yes, we are. We'll go up a little bit. So put it on volts. Yes, you can see that. Brilliant. Put it to DC, and I'll just show you what level, or what voltage these batteries are currently at. And I've got my crocodile clips on, which isn't a good idea, but hey. Can you see that? That's 0.040 volts. That's not even a volt. Same here, this other battery is 1.1 volt. So they're both under the 1.5. Obviously they're unloaded, so obviously it's not a correct measurement, but you can generally get the idea that these batteries are toast. But you're able to run LEDs, especially if you have these style LEDs here. I would suggest probably running those as opposed to a strip, because obviously that takes more power to run. But if you've got a few of those sort of normal standard LED lights floating about, or a string of LED lights that Big Clive likes to use a lot, then you can use all your old shitty batteries that are now dead to power stuff. So I thought it might be a good idea to go into some detail as to building one yourself. But as I say, it's a lot better if I let Big Clive show you how to do it, because he sort of explains things a lot better than what I probably can. So this video is just like a test, just to see how this setup works, and to show you what a Joule Thief is, what it does, and how to use it if you keep hold of your dead batteries that no longer work. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I haven't posted in a while because I haven't got my camera anymore, so a bit sad. But hey, I'm back with my mobile phone, a decent camera app, a little bit of lighting, and some electronic stuff. So I'll link a Big Clive video in to show you how to do this if you want to do that. So I thought I'd just check in with you guys. So hope you liked the video. I know it's only a short one, but hey, what'd you get? So please comment, link and subscribe. It's DrRunCMD. See you in the next video.